So if you have selected lead as the campaign objective and selected instant form as the destination, then you will need to create an instant form. So once you've done all the setting, then you will come here. So this is where you are creating the ad. Here click on create form and a pop-up will come. It's a 5-6 step process. So the first step is to create the name of the form. So name of the form can be, let's say, gym leads 31st August 2024. So there are three form types. One is more volume, where essentially everything is pre-filled, and once you submit, it directly submits. Higher intent will give the user a kind of a choice to confirm. So user will have to confirm, okay, do you want to submit the form or not? And then there is a rich creative where you can add images, messaging about us, etc. etc. Let us go with high intent, you know, and then click on next. So let's enable both background image as well as greeting. When I enable a background image, I can upload the image. So I'll just upload any image. It has given me recommended size which I should use, but I have just right now used any random image. And then you can write a greeting essentially, which will why people should fill the form or what the form is about. So I've just randomly added join India's friendliest gym, and then you can add some paragraph or list. You can add a description in a form of paragraph or list. Okay, a list, as you would know, will appear, in a listicle format, whatever A, B, or whatever random you want to put. Okay, and then click on next. So that was the intro slides, and in this slide you will have a questions. So here you see the list of pre-filled questions. Here you can have your email, phone, and you can add other questions as well. So first is you can enter a description if you want. This is, I think, optional. You can write something ki visit a gym near your home, whatever. Then you have email, full name, and you can also have, let's say, phone number, and you have multiple other questions which are available here. Gender, marital status, work, etc. Whatever you want to. You know. Then you can also add some more questions. Okay, for example, here you can have as multiple choice, short answer, etc. etc. You can have, let's say, appointment request, which will be book a gym visit. And then people will be able to select date and availability. I'm not putting conditional message, which essentially that, as you can see, someone will get in touch with you to confirm the requested appointment. So this is not needed here. You can add more questions, let's say short answers. Okay. Let's say when or do you need a personal trainer? So people can respond yes, no, or whatever they want to. So this is the place where you can add questions. Then you click on next. You will have to create a privacy policy. You'll have to give a link of your website. So for now, you can just, whatever dummy page you have created, you can just give a privacy policy link to that page. I think you can even add a Google Doc link here. For now, I've just given randomly privacy policy page of Anytime Fitness, and then you can just read our privacy policy, something like this. Yeah. If you want, you can add an additional disclaimer that we do not use this information, we will not contact you, or whatever. We will not bombard you with cold calls, we will not sell your data. If you want, you can just add some additional customer disclaimer. Then you click on next. So this is the review screen, which will come. So a person will kind of come to this screen before they are able to submit the information. and then click on next. Here you can put a thank you message. Thanks, you're all set. You can visit the website, or somebody will contact you, something like this. And if you want, you can give a link to the website. For example, if I can give a link to, let me give a link to this Anytime Fitness website only. So now when somebody will fill the form, they will they can visit the website, and then click on create form, and the form is created. So if I select this, then I should be able to see the form here. So this is how the form will look. See, this is the first screen. This is now the second screen. Right, the second question. Now you see the pre-filled questions. All this information will be pre-filled. And here is the review screen. So which essentially helps us that dummy forms are not selected or submitted, or people do not randomly fill the form. They get one more option to review the information, and then this will be the thank you page. So this is how the forms are created.